Welcome to our next session, that is biological classification. In this biological classification, bios means living organisms. These organisms exhibits diversity in their structure and function. The scientists are over 1.25 million animal species have been identified and described. Okay, to understand the interrelationship among the diversified animals groups, a systematic classification is necessary. That classification is called as biological classification. Okay, see this picture. Who is he? He is a great scientist. His name was Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, he is a father of the taxonomy and he is also a founder of the modern hierarchical classification. In 19th and 20th century, they can merge the numerical taxonomy and phylogenetic classification. Numerical taxonomy means this gives the numerical, that means a number classification, and this one is called the phylogenetic classification. The phylogenetical classification, this is also called the cladistic classification. The phylogenetic classification means this classification is done by the characters that is shared by the common ancestor. This is introduced by the Ernest Haeckel. Okay, see this picture. This is also called the phylogenetic classification tree. Okay, in this phylogenetic classification or cladistic classification, these analogous characters and homologous characters. By these basic characters, analogous characters and homologous characters, they can classified into the animals. These analogous characters shared by a pair of organisms due to the convergent evolution. This means one common character is shared by the pair of the animals. This is the potassium of the bat and the wing of the butterfly. Okay, these characters are commonly shared by a pair. Okay, and these are homologous characters. Homologous characters means characters shared by a pair of organisms inherited from a common ancestor. Here, the characters are shared by a pair by one ancestor. That means here it is a bird. Okay, see here wing of the bird and the wing of the finch. Okay, this is these are two wings. Characters are shared by the one common ancestor. This is called the classification of the biological classification. Okay.